Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about expression recognition based on multi-regional coordinate attention credentials. We are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective is we need to recognize the expression such as happy, angry, and so on with the help of different deep learning algorithms such as VGG19 and Resnet. With the rapid development of human-computer interaction and pattern recognition coupled with the rapid update of computer hardware, people can deliver complex work to computers to meet certain life. So it brings a great convenience to humanity. Facial expression recognition is an intelligent computer interaction method that has emerged in recent years. So people's facial expression is one of the important ways to express their own emotion. Sometimes it is easy to find out inner thoughts by his expression. The main function of facial expression is to capture the emotional changes of the subject through facial emotions using the deep learning algorithms. So we can detect either what kind of emotion like happy or angry or sad or surprise and so on. So this is the overview of our project. Then we are going to discuss about flow of our project. We are collecting a data set for 2020 was collected from some data set repositories. We can choose a one input image from our data set. The chosen input image is carried out to pre-processing step. Here we can resize your original image and grayscale conversion. The pre-processed image is carried out to feature extraction. So here we can implement HOG, histogram orient gradient. So with the help of this features we can extract the extracted features is carried out to image splitting module. Here we can split a whole image into test image and train image. So test image is used for prediction and train image is used for evaluation. The splitted image is carried to classification module. Here we can implement two different algorithms such as VGG19 and Resnet. So with the help of the classification, we can predict either what kind of expression, like it is angry or happy or sad and so on. Then finally, we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate. This is the flow of our project. Thank you. Now we are going to discuss about demo of our project. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So here we can choose one input image from our data set. This is the original image and resized grayscale conversion. This is the feature extracted image, that is the HOG. This is the result for the Resnet. So these are the hidden layers which is present in our corresponding algorithm, that is the Resnet. And prediction got angry. So this is the comparison graph or VGG19 and Resnet. I can choose another one input image from our data set. Original image, resized, grayscale conversion, HOG, VGG19, and this is the result for Resnet. And the prediction happy. So the facial expression is happy and comparison graph. Thank you.